This book is going to teach you about near and far. If something is close to me, it looks big. If something is far away, it looks small. The sun looks small because it is far away. The moon looks small because it is far away. When my friend is near me, he looks big. When my friend is far away, he looks small. Now think about what you just learned from this short little book. If you remember, it said that when things are close to you, they look big. Hold your hand right in front of your face and look at it. Then it said if something is far away, it looks small. Put your other hand farther away from you. Which one looks bigger? Which one looks small? Does this help you understand the difference between near and far and how it affects the size of something? Now make a video on Seesaw and explain to your teacher what you learned about near and far and how it affects the way something looks, if it looks big or small.